Hello, welcome back. It's Paulie here with Slaughter Food Creations. You're gonna want to stay tuned for this one. You might even want to do a little dance. Cheers. Alright, here we go. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, so we'll go ahead and get started. I'll show you how I prepare this. I've got a air-chilled organic boneless skinless chicken breast here that I've split in half, and I've left it like so. So I go in there with some kale, and I took the fibrous stem off the end there so it fits nice inside. I've got some mesquite smoked turkey, so we got some thinly sliced pieces of that. I like try to get an equal ratio of pieces here. That way that we have a balance of flavors. I've got some Black Forest ham. So we go in there with like so. And then we have some PepperJack cheese. So I've got about 1/4 inch sizes or so like that. I put about 4 pieces or so inside. Like so. And then we can fold it up. But we just get that all tucked away inside there, like so. All nice and neat and wrapped up. And then we can season up the outside of our chicken breast here. And I do about 3 or so, because I will split them in half, because that's a lot of food there. So let me get my seasoning here. I'm going to get cleaned up. Alright, now I use a mix of kosher salt, cracked black pepper, garlic powder or granule, and smoked paprika. And that's what I use to season the top and the underside of our chicken breast. So like so, roll it over, get the underside, get it nice coated like so, and we're ready for the oven. But like I said, I get about 3 of these together. You could twine them up if you want, but I let them go as is because I'm gonna eat them up anyway. So there you go. Let's get them in the oven. I put them in at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And then I kill the heat at 20 minutes in and let it go another 15, and then they're ready to go. Alright, so anyway, here is our stuffed chicken breast. So it's got kale, smoked turkey, mesquite smoked turkey, some Black Forest ham, PepperJack cheese, and then we've got a seasoning blend of smoked paprika, garlic granule, and kosher salt, black pepper. And we're getting ready to go into the oven again at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And at that point, I will turn the heat off and let it sit in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. And at that point, it will be done and ready to serve. But in the meantime, I'm going to make my Puerto Rican style rice to serve with this. So let's get this in the oven. Right, there it is, stuffed chicken breast with kale, smoked turkey, Black Forest ham, PepperJack cheese. They come apart sometimes, but you can use butcher twine if you'd like. But we're going to slice these up in half and put it with some Puerto Rican style rice and go to town. So check out the description box below. You can see a recipe link of where I make stuffed butternut squash with my Puerto Rican style rice and how to make the rice. So check that out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment below. We'll see you here soon.